Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your charms. What is coming next? Weekly pick a card reading. Yes, friends, what is coming next in your love, work, and career? This is a charms reading, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share because that will give you a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month, friends. Yes, every month I will be picking one lucky winner. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel. But only those who have subscribed, one of them will be selected. So yes, it's my way of giving back to you. So how are you doing, friends? How are you doing? That's my first question. So I hope you are doing fine and you are staying positive. And let's see what is in store for you. What's happening now, what's coming next for you. Let's take a deep breath. Today's choices are very cute. Let's take a deep breath and choose option one, this beautiful owl. Option number two, this beautiful cute penguin. Option number three, the beautiful cat, kitty cat. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option one, option two, option three, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose the number you have chosen. If you want if you want some more time, you can pause the video also and take some more time. And if you are confused because they are also cute, you can choose from the timestamps, friends. Let's see for option number one for the week of 10th to the 16th. Let's see what's happening for you, what's coming next. It is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime. But let's see for now what's happening. It is also a general reading for the owl. Let's see those who chose owl. This is your romance angels messages. Gonna look at them shortly. These are your extra advice. Let's see your cards. Justice number 8. Wow, this is beautiful. Some sort of a justice is going to happen for you this week. It is an important week. And look at this elephant. Wow, this is beautiful. Justice, very nice. Let's see what else you have. Wow, balance. I told you something is going to balance. Double balance energy. Look at that. Here is a scale of balance and also balance. The temperance. The zebra. Wonderful. So you have justice and balance. So some sort of a karmic shift is happening this week for you or is happening right now for you, friends. Congratulations. Things are shifting and balancing out in your life. And no wonder you choose the owl because owls are also very wise. And look at that strength. Whew. Oh my god, you have 3 major arcanas already. And powerful week, friends. Powerful week. Get ready, get started. Queen of Spring, look at that. And look at the front of this card and look at the back. Same. Oh my god, you are connecting with your power, friends. Excuse that. I do feel, friends, this is a very, very powerful week for you because I think some of you are connecting with your power, your sense of passion. I think you have been missing this sense of purpose or sense of passion or some sort of a direction in your life. Things were not going well for you, friends, but this week something shifts. Some sort of a balance will happen in your work life or your love life. I also feel that some of you are dealing with twin flames or you are dealing with a marriage which is not going well or you have ended a marriage in the past or some relationship issues which didn't go well. Maybe you are in a third party or some injustice was done to you, like you in work or in love. It is all changing, friends. It is all changing, and you can finally feel free of those burdens of the past. So, my God, relief is coming. Two of Autumns, very, very busy week for you, friends. Very busy week. I see that you will be very busy. You will have to manage your work. You will be busy in managing your love and family life also. And Let's see what's written on the card. You may be under stress because of multiple jobs or too many responsibilities for one person to maintain, to manage. It is important to balance your work and personal life and bring a spirit of fun in everything you do. So yes, I do feel this is a you are very busy this week, very busy. If you are not busy like you in doing something mentally and emotionally, you are busy. You are thinking a lot about the past, about the future, about current situations. I do feel you are coming out of some sort of an injustice. Something unjust happened with you, maybe at work, like you lost a job, maybe in your love life. So, some sort of an injustice happened, but you are coming out of that injustice. I also feel that many of you are having health issues, or you are worried about a family member's health or your loved one's health. Yes, it is going to be resolved. Things will get better. I also feel some of you are struggling with third party situations or some legal issues, or with a twin flame. Yes, things are shifting. Balance is coming. Balance is very important in your life this week. You will have to balance your work, your love life, your family, also your emotions and your mind. I see you're both you're busy thinking about your work life, finances, also about your love life. By merging varying points of views, you can generate an extraordinary new idea. See? Compromise with others and collaborate to discover a better solution. Temperance, this is, you are very powerful this week, and you are in no mood to cooperate with people because you are this queen of swords. You want to charge, you want to charge, you want to lead, you don't want to compromise. But I feel it might be a good idea to compromise this week. Otherwise, uh, you are already busy. You can get some more busy because of other people's disturbances or drama in your life. I also feel Mars will be going direct this week on the 14th of November. So that is going to bring you a lot of success. It is going to connect you with your power. It is going to connect you with what you have to do next. So you're going to feel very passionate and very bold. And some sort of a justice you are waiting for, some justice. It will happen, friends. It is already working. Three of Winter. See, someone has hurt you. Someone has badly hurted you, friends. I felt that when I saw the justice card. I felt that only, that someone has hurted you and you have been grieving. I feel it is both at work. Maybe someone took your job, or someone didn't paid you enough, or someone broke a promise. Maybe it is a twin flame. Maybe it is your husband, ex-husband, wife, or you feel that life itself betrayed you. Someone has hurted you. Maybe life has hurted you, but friends, you are recovering from it. I know you will not believe me, but trust me, friends, you are coming. You have this strength, 1111. True strength is displayed through kindness, forgiveness, and compassion. You have tremendous personal power and courage. Look at that. And look at this lion. It has these beautiful flowers in their head, like a crown. I do feel, friends, someone has used your kindness and made you feel like you are weak. But friends, this is your week when you reconsider or you reconnect with your power, and you find that your kindness is actually a gift. And I also see that some of you, friends, you are uh, waiting for progress in your work, career, and education. It hasn't happened yet. You haven't got, it is like you have studied, but success is not coming your way right now. Or for, in the past also, it didn't came your way. Like you prepared for an exam or for a promotion, but it was not coming your way. But I see things changing. With Mars going direct, this month on the 14th this week, things will be shifting in your favor, and it will bring you justice, and it will bring you balance, and also a promotion or a second job or some sort of extra work is coming your way, which might help you to earn more. So yeah, it is there. I see you moving out of past healing, out of past disappointment. So it is a great week for you. In love life, I feel that someone has hurted you. They will be reaching out, or they are thinking how they can balance this situation because they know they have messed up. I also feel, friends, some of your ex-husband wives, or if you are, uh, married, or if you were once married, you need to forgive that person so that new love can come your way. You can do that. You are very powerful. I also feel, friends, in love, someone is thinking about you and they might have been juggling you with one person or with another person or with work. So I feel that person is now going to apologize. It could also be a friend who left you, hurted you. They are coming in balance. They want to do justice to you. We'll also see with the charms, but I feel someone has hurt you and they are thinking about you this week. You are also thinking about them. But I see our viewers will be moving out of that hurt and pain, recovering. But that person who has hurted you, they are left, who? They are left with guilt. Let's see. Serendipity. Yes, what you need is coming your way. Get ready, friends. Make a wish and you will achieve it. So, yes, it's a powerful week for you. Whatever you want, it is coming your way. I do see some extra money coming your way, but that also means you will be busy doing a lot of work. I also feel that if you are a housewife, or if you are you will have to manage your home, your house, and your work also, so you're busy managing a lot of things. Regeneration, yes, someone will be coming back to regenerate a relationship or a friendship, or a family member is coming back like, hey, let's patch up. Something is regenerating. For others, it is not a relationship, it is your own confidence regenerating. You were lost. You were like, you have lost your confidence in the past, friends, but this week you will feel completely in touch with your confidence and your personal power. I also feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for some of you, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. You could also be these sun signs. I also feel a Virgo or Taurus person is important. I feel, friends, you may not see that you are very confident this week, but I see that more and more you are connecting with your power, and this will bring you changes in your life. I see you taking action towards your dreams, towards your goals. Like this elephant, you are taking a step towards your education, towards your goal. Anything else for pile number 1? TikTok. Number 30. Wow, you definitely are impatient. Something is making you impatient this week, friends. You might be in a hurry. It's like, things should happen now, 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 now. Otherwise, like, if they don't happen now, it will be too late. There is this energy. You want to overachieve. You want to do everything quick this week. But rushing too much might not go well for you, friends. I definitely feel that. You have to give time to things. Don't make quick decisions. I don't think it will go your way. No, I don't think so. I also feel that someone has keeping an eye on you since a long time, like 30 days or maybe more, or they have a birthday on the 30th of this month or in the 30th of October. Someone is keeping an eye on you. They recently had a birthday, or you had a recent birthday, or this week you have your birthday. So someone is waiting for this time to make a move towards you and make things right with you. They don't know how, and they know they are losing time. They know they need to work things quickly. Let's see your love message. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. It is time to love yourself, friends. It is time to put yourself first in all your relationships or marriage or even friendships and your personal life. Think about yourself. I feel pile number 1, you are givers. You never think about anyone else, or you think about everyone else but never yourself. That's the best way to put it. You think about everyone, but last person you think about is you. This is the time. This week, make yourself a priority. Regenerate self-love. I know most of us hate self-love. The minute I say self love, you all want to run because we want love from others, but we don't want love from our own self. And you know what? The irony of this life or this universe is that the love that we have for ourselves is the love we find in another one. So friends, it is your time. Love yourself. Let's see your chance. This is you're fast, you are like quick, let's do things quickly. And money is coming, look at that. You're reaching out to something and something is coming for you. It is different for different of you, different, everyone is having a different thing. Some of you are reaching out for money, it is coming. Some of you are reaching out for a promotion or some job. Yes, you will find some opportunities. Or some of you are getting back, hearing back from a partner or a new lover. Yes, let's see. Option number one. What will happen for them? What's next? Option number one. Wow, there is an aeroplane. I think some of you might be traveling, or you are feeling like you are losing time. You should travel, you should make that change. You should have got married till now, you should have had babies till now, or maybe you should have achieved that promotion. You should have been like the VP or the CEO of that company by now, but it hasn't happened. I think it will happen, friends. Justice can be delayed, but it is not denied. It is coming. It is right on time. It is right on time. Wow, and look at that. You have this bead in this red car. So red is about passion. Green, you have two cars. So green is about money. I do feel this is your week, healing is happening, passion is coming back. And this golden bead is about, money. This is about money, luck. Let's see your alphabets. L, E. You have very few alphabets. Let it go. I think that's what it is saying. Let it go. Let it go. You have only two alphabets, three alphabets. Let it go. Let the past go. Let the past, this past hurt, pain, uh, you know, injustice, let it go. Aeroplane, I feel some of you just want to escape out of life. You just want to go somewhere else where you can forget everything and start anew, start a brand new life. Some of you just want to escape. It is like, I want to escape from my reality. I want to change it. I think life is changing, friends. Life is shifting for you. It won't take so long. You will be like, when is this divine timing? Friends, trust me, I have been doing readings from a very, very long time. And I know by personal, experiences also, divine timing doesn't always take so long. And when we are about to ask that question, when will divine timing work in our favor? That's exactly the time it starts to work in our favor. So when you are at the end of your patience, things start to change. Trust me, it's always how it works. So yeah, this is aeroplane. Some news is coming from abroad, or someone, you may be meeting someone who lives abroad, or someone, long distance relationship is important. I feel someone wants to travel or make a move towards you and make a wish come true. I do feel someone really likes you, someone loves you a lot. They want to message you, they might message you this week. It could be a secret admirer or a friend also. They will message you. Or it could be someone you have been in a relationship, married, or you had separated some time ago. So yeah, they are thinking about you. USA is important. And pineapple is also about passion, feeling your passion, feeling passionate about something in your life, some dreams, some goals, some health, fitness. You're feeling passionate about things. It is also about reconciliation. Someone wants to reconcile, but they don't know how to. They want to come back, but they don't know how to. USA is important for some of you. One of your, yes, breakthroughs, clarity is coming for you this week. You will find what you need to do next. Star, you also have the star here. Wishes coming true, friends. You are going to get whatever you're wishing for. You will achieve it. Don't worry. It may have taken you a long, long time till now, but you are on the right path. April is important for some of you, so you might achieve your goals by April next year or maybe before that. Giver, I told you, friends, you are very giving. You think of everyone but yourself. So this week, take some time for yourself. Whale, whale is like you have extreme potential. Don't doubt yourself. Believe in yourself, friends. Believe you can achieve anything. I know many of you are starting to doubt yourself again. Your energies are dipping. Don't do that, friends. Don't do that. And my readings are not positive. You may feel they are positive. I always tell you, listen them 3-4 times, because you will have to listen to them, because my voice is attractive and you will not be able to find intricacies. You will have to listen to them 2-3 times to get deeper meanings. Whale is about believing in your power. You are powerful. Hope, yes, there is hope. Don't lose hope, friends. You may feel a little, you may feel like, should we do this or should we not? Will life ever get better? Yes. You thought when we started 2020 where we were? We didn't even know we would reach this point in this moment. This November 2020, half of us didn't even knew that would happen. We had given up hope then, but we reached it. And I told you we will reach here. And I'm telling you this thing, we will reach further ahead. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, and stay positive. Don't give up. We can sit and cry, but we are not giving up. Look at you. You are rising from this volcano. A volcano, look at that. This tree is rising out of a volcano. Can you believe that? Queen of coins, yes, money is coming your way. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you. October is also important. Yes, I think something was due to happen in October, but it didn't happen yet. But don't worry, it is going to happen eventually, maybe in April or maybe soon after 2 of years. You are a little confused. I told you, friends, a little confusion is there in your mind. It will get over, friends. It will get over. Teacup, I think this is talk with your friends. You're doing things alone. Talk with your friends, meet friends, go out a little. And sometimes being positive is the most difficult thing. In fact, it's the most difficult thing most of the time. But you can do it. You can do it. So friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. And if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month. So make sure to subscribe, like and share. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful, cute penguin, let us see what is coming next for you. It is a charms reading, friends. I'll be pulling the charms just shortly after I show you the cards. This is the Romance Angels Extra Oracle Messages. These are your cards. Let's see how your week. What's coming next for you? 5 of Spring. Ooh, 5 of Wands. Interesting. Things are not going well right now. I feel there is a lot of drama happening around you. There is a conflict around you or within you. Ego, the devil. My God. I think I feel definitely people are giving you a very tough time, friends. You have either lost hope in people, or people are behaving very egoistically around you. They are doing drama, or there is a lot of power struggle in your love life or at your work or in your family, or even if you are married, there is some sort of a tussle, power struggle happening. Either I feel it's right now happening or it has happened in the past. The Moon. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this card. It's beautiful. But somehow you have been very relaxed, even though there is a lot of drama going on, or it may happen this week, all this drama, this ego. People are, people are ready to fight with you, or they are themselves a little, how do I say this? Sometimes people are in a grumpy mood. It's not your fault that they are fighting, but they are feeling grumpy. It's a tough day for them, so they want to pick a fight. So it may happen like this. I'm sorry to begin this reading on this way, but it is coming like that. You have to stay careful of power struggles this week. You have to stay in this energy of moon. I'm happy in my emotions. I'm enjoying. I don't care what you are doing. I don't care what's your opinion is. I don't care what drama you brings into my life, because yes, people are gonna bring dramas to you. You're gonna be this happy penguin. It reminds me of Happy Feet. Yes, there is a Happy Feet song also. I would suggest you to go and watch it. It will give you immediate happy vibes, and at least it will make you drama free, all this that's going on. Queen of Autumn. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important to you. You both could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel, friends, you are not involved in any drama. You want to focus on your work. You want to focus on money. You are building yourself. You are doing great. And you are doing well actually, and that is why people are picking drama from you. They want to waste your time, and you should not do that. And someone might hurt your ego because you have this. So be careful. 10 of Winters, my God, the Prince of Winter, the Princess of Winter. Wow, this is beautiful. I feel, friends, there is a relationship or an ending has happened recently in a relationship or in your work or some area of life. You feel very bad about that ending. You are not feeling good about this ending that has happened in your life. I think most of you are trying to forget and move and focus on your work. But I think the person that's involved with you, they are completely addicted to you. I don't know what's going on, but you have a strong telepathic connection with this person. It could be a family member, it could be a lover, twin flame, it could be your ex-husband, wife, it could be a friend, a crush. You have a strong telepathic connection with this person, even though the situation has ended. But this person is stuck on you, you are stuck on them, and there is a power struggle going on in this situation. It could also be a work situation, so stay careful. I do feel this person will be making, if this is a lover or a love situation, this person wants to make a move towards you. And they will try to message you, talk to you, and some sort of an argument may happen. You may still not see eye to eye. There may be power struggles. It may also happen with your family members. Like if you are young, you want to do something that you like, but your family members are, they think differently, that it's not good for you, you shouldn't. There is a lot of power struggle, friends. You will have to find a way to deal with it. The best way to deal with it is focus on your work, focus on yourself, focus on your career, focus on learning something. And I do feel this is your week to stay away from social media. Because I feel, people just want you. They want your energy. This is also a very creative week for you, so focus on your creativity, focus on things that you like, things you enjoy, music, dance, poetry. I do feel some of you may be watching the Twilight series or something, that movie, because I think you want to watch something mysterious. You're very mysterious this week. People, if you are single, there will be a lot of new people who want to know you. Your social media, I see, is flooding with emails suddenly. But friends, be careful. Everything is not how it seems. Be careful. You have to be careful this week, because people are coming to pick fights with you, or even if not, they are coming for that difference of opinions may happen. So be careful. You also have a couple here, the Prince of Winter and the Princess of Winter. So everyone around you is very logical this week, and so are you. And there is a less energy of heart. You see, there is no, except the moon, there is no water energy here. So you're gonna feel a little, you're gonna feel very high energy. You're gonna also feel a little nervous. You're gonna also be worried about your future. I feel like you wanna rush, you will be very logical, very rational. And so is everyone else. So it is going to create, it will create a sort of a block. So enjoy your emotions, friends. Be in your emotions. Some things which are hidden may worry you this week, like, oh, I don't know about this person, what will happen, I don't know about my future, what will happen, oh, I'm not, so and so told me to they will message me but they didn't, so what will happen. I see you're waiting for some work news or something also, or some message related to work or education, and if that message doesn't come this week, you will be perplexing, you will be like, oh my god, why they haven't messaged me. So there is this energy of feeling very intoxicated. Someone else is also intoxicated on you. You might also be intoxicated on something. I feel you can worry a lot this week, so make sure to study well, make sure to go outside, bring some fresh flowers, and enjoy the dreamy nights. Enjoy the night time. I feel you might get so active, your brain might be so active that you may forget to sleep. But I would suggest you to enjoy the peace and quiet of the night times. Enjoy your emotions. Be in your emotions. There is too much energy of the mind here. I also feel that some of you are going to find something you have lost. Yes, maybe it's a piece of jewelry. Maybe it is a pet you have lost or something, something. Maybe it is a key. There is some issue. There is something you have lost. You are going to find it this week. I also feel there is issue about marriage or commitment. You don't know if you can trust a person, or if they are even honest, or whether you want to get married or not. So there is a lot on your mind, friends. Take some time, enjoy your emotions. Don't be just in your mind, and stay away from people. Yeah, stay away from social media. Look at this. This is an intellectual challenge that calls upon your ability to think of a new solution. If helpful information is put into good use, you can generate new insights. You can generate new outcomes. So yes, you have to see the bigger picture. Some things have ended which you may feel very unhappy about. You may feel, why this person ended things, why the situation ended. But friends, it is for your good. You may not see the hidden dangers. You may not see what this person actually wants. Someone may try to pick a fight. You may get angry. Why is this person fighting? I think it's a good sign. They are telling you they are in their ego. They are telling you they are in their mind, not in their hearts. Stay away. You will have to use your intuition, friends. And this is also a very creative time, especially to write, to manifest, and also, friends, to dedicate yourself to your work and career. It's a good time. I see you should take some flowers or bring some flowers also. I see you decorating or making your room and everything very pretty. You should do that. It will help you. Peace, yes, peace is coming. I think there is a relationship which has caused you a lot of pain, friends, a lot of pain. It could be a family relationship, your parents or your children, or it could be a husband, wife, in-law situation. There is a situation which is causing you a lot of pain. But friends, remember, peace is coming. Peace is yours. Someone is going to apologize. It is coming, or the universe will give you a message which will help you. Orphan number 5, you are feeling so alone, friends. You are feeling so alone this week. even right now, it is like everyone is fighting. I don't know where to go. Everyone is selfish. I don't know what to do. People keep, social media is full of attacks, or trolls. I don't know what to do. I would suggest you to stay away from social media for this week, or maybe for a few days, and enjoy some relaxing time with yourself. Go out, take a walk in the nature. I would suggest you to walk in, or sit with the moon, or just with the stars at the night. Do something, go out, bring some flowers, it will help you. Let's see anything else. Pile number 2. Power. Oh my god. You have a lot of power, friends. You have a lot of untapped potential. So if you are a student and you feel no one is supporting you, no one understands you, you are alone, friends, you are powerful. You are very powerful. Don't worry. Gateway, something is shifting for you, and I think before it shifts, or before this shift is seen outside, it is shifting within you. Something is opening within you. Peace. Something is hidden. It will come to light to you this week. Something is hidden. This moon card. Something is not clear to you, but it will reveal itself. And you are also very mysterious this week. So people are coming towards you. They want to know you. Who are you? They feel this mystery. Who are you? They want to know you. Purity. Yeah, it is important to stay very balanced and pure this week. I also feel someone is really missing you. They are going to message you to apologize. You are also thinking why this person hurted you, but I feel there can be a chance of a conflict happening. So be careful. Option number 2 this week. All right, let's see. You have the GP, H and E. This reminds me of the word hope. GP. A he person might be important, someone, a male is important. I don't know if I can make any other words. GPE and H is important. You also have this smiley, cute smiley of a kiss. Yes, someone wants to kiss you. I think someone is physically obsessed with your beauty. I think this week, people are obsessed with your beauty. If you are especially a female, even if you are a man, people are drawn to your beauty, your sexuality. They find you very charming. And you may like it or you may not like it. I don't know why I have a mixed feeling here, but I think something will happen which will bring a smile on your face. So congratulations. Number 23 is important. We also have number 23 here. So 23 is very important to you this week. And you have this green house. So money issues will be, you may be feeling alone. Where is that card? You're feeling alone regarding your money, career. Like there is no help. There is help. Maybe some of you don't have the right home. Maybe some of you want to buy your own home or shift, or you want to have some new friends. It is not there. It will happen, friends. Financial healing, emotional healing. And again, look at that blue. This is, you are in your head. You are in your head, How do I say? You are in your mind. Stay careful. Everyone is in their mind and it can go a little crazy if it hasn't already been a little crazy. And message in a bottle. I think something is not clear. Something is hidden. We have the moon, some mysteries. Some answers are not yet revealed. They will be shown. Someone will be messaging you. You also have unicorn. Look at that. This is a tiny unicorn. Yes, your wishes are going to come true. I feel you are also this unicorn, You are this unicorn. People want to know you. Who are you? And this pink bead, it is focus on love. Focus on love, friends. You are all in your mind. Focus on love this week. And there is this happy couch, Look at that. Love is coming. This is the love couch. I do see a steamy date coming. Or, some of you are, someone is, lusting after you in their dreams. because you have the moon card. So you both are meeting in your dreams, sharing a lusty dream, a wild, sexy dream. I see that. For others of you, it could be happening in real. Congratulations, you have the shoe, the Cinderella slipper, I call it, something magical happening, and this is also like you finding something you have lost. So maybe you lost a pair of socks and you find it this week, or you lost a earring, so you find it, or you lost a rubber band or something, keys, something. Maybe you lost your cat, you are going to find it, or they are going to come to you, those things which you have lost. Trumpet, messages are coming, important revelations are coming. You also have the star. You are shining, friends, you are shining bright, and that is why people want to know you. And you have the golden leaf. Money is coming your way, prosperity is coming your way, and look at that, the parrot, the talking parrot, the love parrot. So someone is, someone has a secret crush on you, or you have a crush on someone, and they are like, oh, I want to know that person, I want to know that person. I do see you might be talking with them, or they might message you, but be careful, don't end up fighting, don't end up arguing. Or they might end up arguing, you will be like, why is this person arguing with me? And you're like, I don't know. You are very protected, angel wing. The lotus, yes, this is about you, some revelation, some hidden things are coming to light. This is about staying pure in your emotions, opening your heart. Attachment, yes, someone is very attached with you, friends, very, very attached with you. That person keeps thinking about you constantly, and I feel you also feels that same attachment towards them. But there is a power struggle going on. I won't message you first, you message me first. I messaged you first, you blocked me, I'll also block you. It's that kind of an energy. You both are running away, but you are both running together towards each other. This is the beat of passion, friends. A lot of passion is here in this week. Four of air. Yeah, someone is making you wait. You don't like it. Someone is throwing their weight on you like, hey, I will make you wait because I am in my ego. And you are like, nope, I don't like it. Dear, you're very sensitive, friends. I told you stay away from social media this week because otherwise you're gonna get triggered. I'm giving you that warning right now. Save this reading because in case you forget it, good Lord. Venus, focus on your beauty. Take care of your hair. Take care of your health. Maybe you haven't done a facial in a while or a massage. Go for it, friends. Man or a woman, take care of yourself. Hope is coming your way. You have lost hope. Hope is there, friends. Hope is there. Don't lose hope. Five of coins. Oh God. Money is coming, friends. Money is coming. Two of cups. You desperately want this relationship. You want a friendship. You want someone who understands you, or you want that person that you have in your mind and they also want you. Goodness, I don't understand why you are not together right now. Healer. Yes, you something is healing in this connection, friends. Don't worry. Asia, this person might be from Asia or you might be from different countries. Seven of Cups, yes, choices are coming your way this week. I do feel someone is in the process of making a decision or move towards you. Let's see your romance angels. Romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring. They love you, friends. Yes, they love you. There is no doubt about it. No matter how they show it, with aggression, with passion, with emotion, or with their mind, they love you. So make sure to show your love for Magic Vans Tarot by subscribing, liking, sharing. Join us on Instagram, Magic Vans Tarot. This is Miss Dixie saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, charms, what's happening with you this week? What's coming next? Let's see this beautiful kitty cat. This is your romance angels messages, extra cards, charms. I will be pulling just in front of you shortly. Let's see what's coming this week for you. Ace of Summer. Oh my God, this is beautiful, friends. This is the amazing way to begin your week. Yes, a new start or some sort of a relief is coming your way. This feels like a relief. This feels like, oh, finally something good is happening. Yes, I think you're gonna smile this week. That's how I feel when I pick this card. You're gonna smile this week. Offers of love or new friendship or someone who understands you is coming. Oh my God, the lovers, look at that. True and long lasting relationships are finding their way into your life. Follow your heart with caring intentions and decisions. This is beautiful. The lovers. I feel, this is this is definitely your week focused on love, focused on healing, focused on friendships. This is your week focused on all sorts of relationships and also on self love. Now, I have said the self love. I don't know why everyone doesn't like self love. I think it is the basis of life. And no wonder you have chosen the cats. Cats love themselves. Have you ever seen a bad looking cat? They are so groomed, even if they are wild, they love themselves. They know how to love themselves and take care of themselves. They never look or wait for anyone else to do that. What a wonderful week for you, Ace of Cups, the lovers. I'm already loving it. Ooh, the Six of Summer. Soulmate connections, friendships. Oh, wow. I think some of you, this is a very lovey dovey week for you. Or even if you are single, you are focusing on what you want in love, or you may be missing your past friends, or someone, there is a lot of love, happy energies. Let's read the card. The love and care of The love and care of children could become an important part of your life, or people from your childhood may return back to you. Um, Old memories can be healed, or possibly a childhood friend or partnership is returning. Wow. See? I do feel some of you might be going back to places you grew up, like your childhood home or your town, your villages. Some of you are traveling this week, or someone from there is traveling. I also feel someone is missing you, a soulmate, or you are looking for a soulmate. Beautiful, the world. This is beautiful. Wow. I do feel someone from long distance really likes you. Someone from long distance, another city, another country, another religion. I do feel it could be a same sex relationship for some of you, or it could be a different sex relationship, like, you both are male or females. But the thing is, you are in long distance. They are missing you. They want to be with you, but they want to love you. The Princess of Summer. This is all, all in all, an emotional week for you, friends. Yes, your emotions are super high, and it's a good thing. Sensitive, kind, open-hearted, and very loving person is coming your way. This is beautiful. Prince of Spring. Seven of Autumn. Wow, I feel you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person this week, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or you could be these sun signs. I also feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. You could be that person also, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel you're waiting. If you are single, you're waiting for a soulmate. You are ready for a new relationship. You are working on healing your heart. You are getting ready for a deep soulmate union or a spiritual commitment. Yes, that person, a soulmate, is destined. You are thinking, or you are trying to manifest. If you are trying to manifest love, yes, you are on the right path this week. I feel some of you are waiting for this person. There is a relationship in your life. That person hasn't taken an action towards you. Maybe it is a new love, maybe it is an old relationship. Maybe they liked you in your past or in your childhood, but then you lost touch with them. I do feel someone is going to take an action or move towards you, because they feel a lot of love for you. They know that you are their soulmate. They feel a lot of love, attraction towards you. They want to share they want to share. There is something on this person's mind they want to share with you. They see that you are very protective, you are very caring, you are very delicate. This person wants to protect you because they see your vulnerability, they see your kind heart. Look at that. They want to protect you like this dog, I understand how you are. I want to protect you. It could be a friend, it could be a lover, it could be a stranger who meets you on social media, through work. Someone is coming, friends. Someone likes you, or you like someone, and you both are similar. I feel in work and career this week you are waiting. You want to know what you are planning, actually, not just waiting. You are planning your next move. I think some of you are starting some new business idea or some new projects, or maybe you have started, so you are even more into planning what to do next, how to take it forward. All those things are there. I also see some of you will be traveling this week. I also feel some of you will be traveling to your childhood homes or where you lived earlier, your earlier hometown, city, countries. You're missing your childhood. It's like you want it. And you're very sensitive. And I think mostly the most important message of this week is that you are focusing on loving yourself. And that's very important. You are taking care of yourself, your body, your mind. You're listening to some good music, some good movies, popcorns, I see. Time for a nap, see? You're taking care of yourself, and it's a good thing, friends. It's a very, very good thing. Some of you may feel very, see very telepathic or intuitive dreams. Lucid dreaming will be happening, so you will get an important message in your dreams or through your dreams. So, note down your dreams this week. It is very important. Number 24, 11, 8, and 19 are important. Here and now. Number 32. I feel, friends, the most important thing, because this is a very pure and happy and emotional week for you, you may feel very drawn to the past or drawn to the future. So, this card is reminding you to stay in the present moment. Maybe there is a relationship which, a past lover come back, things start well, but again you may feel like, oh, what about the past? What about the future? Don't think like that. It will spoil it. Be in the moment. I also feel in your career, fall in love with what you do. That is the key to this week. That's your key. Fall in love. Just passion alone won't do. If you are just thinking, oh, I love my work, that won't also do. You will have to take action as well as emotion. Together, it will change your life. I also feel someone is very loyal, friends. Very, very loyal to you. They want to talk with you. They have a strange loyalty. It could be a friend, it could be a lover, delight. See, happiness is coming your way. A lot of happiness, something exciting will happen, dreams, messages. I also feel that some of you may have birthdays this week, so you are celebrating. Yeah, this wants to come out. Pleasure. Focus on enjoy. And look at that. You again have a deer. Look at that. Can you see very closely? There's a deer here. And look, there's a deer here. You're very sensitive, friends. I feel taking a nap, doing something nice for yourself, all those things will be very nice for you. And just enjoy, spend time with your kids. And, if you don't have kids, spend time with children or animals and pets. It will bring you it will bring you relief. Anything else? Leadership. Yes, friends, I think you will be very busy in the future, so it is time for you to take this rest right now. It is also an emotional week for you, so stay positive. Don't don't jump deep in your darkness. Stay positive, stay happy, balanced, and I feel let's pull your charms now. Option number 3, what will happen? Lots of charms came out for you. In fact, I think most charms came out for you. Let's see them. It's gonna take us a while, so get your coffee, get everything done. Let's see now. Number 28 is important with C. Wow, number 28 and C. This is interesting. I don't know if I can just remove it. Nope. Okay, got it. So I'm gonna read them collectively because there are so many charms. Let's see what we have. F, N, D, friend. FND is like a short form of friend. A friend is important. They are thinking about you. CNS, the central nervous system. Yeah, CNS. It could be, I do see you should do something that you enjoy, or there is some happy energy. Some, friends are going to call you, friends are going to meet you. That energy is there. So, FND, SNCE. You also have letters, numbers, number 25, number 28, and number 1, number 17, and number 7. That's beautiful. What else do we have? Don't forget to save. I do feel there is a birthday or a celebration coming. I also feel that you shouldn't worry too much about the past or the future. You just focus on the present. So, yeah, except in money, you should save, otherwise, it's okay. Some important messages are coming. Someone wants to propose you. You may also propose or say, like, hey, I like you, or some sort of a praise, some happy compliment, something that will delight you is coming. Maybe you are selected for something, or you win a prize, or oh my god, sorry friends, you win a hamper or something. I feel like you're going something, someone may compliment you, or you may win a prize or a hamper. Secret messages, important messages are coming. Happiness, someone is going to compliment you. Fixing things. Let us see what else is there. Lots of cards came out. Look at that. You have the lantern. Light your way, friends. Your emotions are very high, but you can use this emotion to make changes in your career, in your finances. Music is important. I told you, listen, you will be watching movies, or I do see you watching movies like animated movies, or movies related to animals, because there is a lot of animal energy. Almost all, the goose, the dog, the deer, the cow, the flamingos, there is the dolphin. So you have this beautiful energy. So I do see you watching a lot of animated movies. Music is important. This bead is finding balance in life. Rose, yeah, I do feel your heart is opening, your heart chakra is opening this week. So focus on that. Yes, look at that feminine energy. Some of you might get pregnant this week. Some of you may have delivered delivered a baby, or you are starting a project this week. You will get that idea. Feminine energy is very high, even if you are a male. Focus on your heart, friends. Focus on your heart. Boxing gloves. Yes. You're fighting your emotions, friends. You're fighting your emotions. Whether you may feel like, do you love this person? Why do you love this person? Do you love them from the past? Why do I love them from the past? They didn't do me well. Why do I love them? You may have some choices this week, like, should I love them or shouldn't I love them? So there is this tussle going on. You are very protected. Spiritual awakenings are happening. Tree of life. Family is important. Some of you want to start a family, get married. There is also these charms. Another rose is here. Twin flame energy is important. Heart is important. The entire focus of this relationship is heart, emotions, fertility, butterfly. Things are changing positively for you. Fish, another water symbol. Emotions are very high. Another baby symbol. Yes, I do feel a gift is coming your way. It could be a work situation, it could be an idea, a dream, a love, a message, a compliment, or a gift hamper, or a baby. I do see someone in the family is having a baby. So, or you are having a baby. Tortoise, be slow, let go. All these leaves are about letting go. Another heart is there. Flow with your heart. This energy, look at that, the flame, the torch of flame. You're very powerful, friends. You are very powerful. Leadership, you are very strong, and you are getting ready. The lion, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for some of you. The unicorn, you will get some good ideas this week, especially some good dreams. Take a nap. So make sure to sleep well, because you might not sleep well. There is a baby elephant, again a baby symbol. Lots of inner child issues, are healing. And lots of children, baby things like baby elephant, and all this is about Family is important. Pearl, you are precious. Believe in yourself. Again, a butterfly. I do feel, friends, this is about, focusing and living in the moment. It is very necessary. See, all the butterflies are here, silver as well as the gold butterfly. So I do feel this is about a twin flame. Yeah. You also have two Leos, two lions. Oh my god, this is crazy. Look at that. Two lions are here. Oh my god. Oh my god, friends. Someone is exactly like you, and you are meant to be, and they are coming into your life if you have not already met them. If you have, if you are married to this person, yes, your your marriage was not going well, love will shine. And some of you might be becoming mothers, pregnant, or you want to. You're working on it. Some of you are working on manifesting a new lover. You are on the right path. I do feel a twin flame energy is thinking about you, and there is a new start happening. Things are shifting. Again, the leaf, stay focused. Again, the heart is here. A lot of repeating rose is here. The rose heart, the infinite heart. Keep your heart open. Let's see your charms. Lion, again, my god, you are very powerful, friends. There are 3 lion charms here. Oh my god. Four of Wands, yes, it is a twin flame connection. That's important. Marriage is important. Family is important. Commitments are important. Business partnerships are important. You are very much about it. Three of Swords, someone has hurt you. You want to come out of it. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Sage, you are very wise, friends. You are very intelligent. Don't doubt yourself. You may be very sweet, you may be very kind, but you are very, very wise. And you have the doves, forgiveness. Forgive someone, forgive yourself. You also have Whale. Whale is also about power and leadership, and Whale is also about high dimensional learning. Messages, telepathy. May is important for some of you, the month of May. Mouse, you are feeling a little scared because of this emotion. And friends, I told you, friends, your friends are very important. Look at this, friends. I see some of you might be binge watching the Friends series. I think it will be good for you. You should do that. Friendships are coming, friends. New friendships, important friendships, your own. You are becoming your own friend also, which is the best thing to do. Let's see your romance angels. Holy moly. Oh my god, engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Yes, you are getting ready to getting engaged in the near future or this week. You maybe someone in the family is getting engaged, or maybe you might realize you are pregnant and then you have to get engaged. I know I'm gonna hear a lot after this, but it happens sometimes, you can't help it. God is God. You can't plan these things. And some of you are manifesting a marriage. It is coming, friends. Make sure to subscribe. Make yourself married to us. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye.